Villa LOHA, a modern architectural masterpiece located in the Eureka area, just 15 minutes from the center of Marrakech, Morocco. This villa stands majestically on a 4,500 square meter plot with a total building area of approximately 600 square meters. Its strategic location offers breathtaking views of the towering Atlas Mountains, creating an impressive natural backdrop. The architectural design of Villa LOHA was greatly influenced by the land's specificities and the surrounding environmental context. One of the main challenges faced by the architectural team was ensuring privacy from neighboring properties. To address this, they designed large stone walls that serve as protective barriers, offering a sense of security and privacy without compromising the aesthetics. These stone walls provide a bold yet harmonious presence within the surrounding natural landscape. An interesting design feature of this villa is the 60 centimeters elevated plinth that raises the structure above ground level. This elevation not only creates a physical distance between the house and the garden, but also enhances the sensory experience as residents explore the space. The raised foundation allows for a more expansive view of the surrounding landscape, maximizing the natural beauty of the area. As you step further into the villa, you're greeted by a spacious reception area, which serves as one of the core elements of the home's design. This 80 square meter room features massive 7-meter long glass windows that frame views on both sides, much like living paintings. This room connects the northern and southern parts of the property with elegance, acting as the heart of the villa's circulation. On the exterior, Villa LOHA is surrounded by a large garden in the front, providing residents with an open, uninterrupted view. The southern garden layout allows for ample outdoor space, perfect for activities ranging from lounging in the sun to enjoying the cool mountain air. This garden also serves as an ideal backdrop for outdoor gatherings or simply enjoying peaceful, quiet afternoons. The reception area is part of a triptych or trio of main interior spaces. To the west lies a cozy TV room, while to the east, a large dining room creates an intimate yet open dining experience. These three spaces are divided by large sliding doors made from charred wood, offering a beautiful contrast to the modern design elements that dominate the rest of the home. In both the TV room and the dining room, the outer stone walls visible through the glazing add to the sense of security, as though these walls are living works of art, where natural light plays off their textured surfaces. The villa's interior was designed by Retro Labo, with carefully selected furniture and decor that bring a modern yet warm atmosphere. Natural materials such as wood and stone are paired with contemporary design touches to create a harmonious balance with the surrounding landscape. In certain corners, local artwork adds visual depth, reflecting Morocco's rich cultural heritage. Villa LOHA not only highlights the beauty of modern design, but also offers maximum functionality and comfort. The 4 bedrooms, including the master suite, are designed with attention to privacy and luxury. Each room has access to outdoor spaces facing the garden, allowing for optimal natural light and creating a calm, tranquil ambience. Overall, Villa LOHA serves as an inspiring example of how architectural design can seamlessly integrate with nature, overcome privacy challenges, and still provide comfort and stunning aesthetics. With a design approach that prioritizes local elements and a close connection to the surrounding environment, this villa is a perfect reference for anyone seeking a luxurious home design that balances functionality and beauty.